Hi, everybody. Welcome back to Sandy's house, where ingredients and taste meet. Look who's back! AB is back with us today. Unfortunately, sometimes our schedules don't come together, and I have to go solo all by myself, which you all know that is a huge fear of mine that I am working through. So, this is my fear journey of working through and doing things on camera by myself when I have to. So I encourage you out there, if you're waiting for someone to do something with you, don't. Just do it. But I am glad that MB is back with me in the kitchen today. And we are going to be making chocolate chip cookies. It's a quick recipe, so let's get to it. Okay, everybody. MB will be mixing these cookies. So I have no idea what we're going to get, but we're going to get it done. These are the ingredients we have. We've got 3/4 cups of brown sugar. We've got 3/4 cups of white sugar. We have 113 grams, which is 1 stick of butter, softened. We have a half cup of buttered shortening. This is going to help our cookies to be chewy and tender.
Oh, that's Lord.
Right. This is
what you call Lord.
This is what you call Lord. Right. Okay. This is the secret ingredient. Not a lot of people put shortening. Some do. It's not an anomaly to us, but some people do. But in this chocolate chip cookie recipe, it calls for shortening, and that's what we're going to use.
And use layman terms, Lord.
Lord. Okay. Layman's terms. Oh Lord. We've got a tablespoon of vanilla. We've got a tablespoon of baking soda, a half of teaspoon of salt. Now take that back. This is a teaspoon of baking soda, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. And we've got 2.5 cups of flour, and we've got about 1.5 cups of Ghirardelli chocolate. Whatever the star ingredient is of whatever your baked good or your pastry, if you can, you can't always because groceries are so expensive, use quality ingredients. So this is a chocolate chip cookie.
So this is quality?
That's a quality chocolate chip.
Oh my goodness, this going to be good.
That's Ghirardelli.
That's going to be good.
That is like top of the line chocolate chip.
That's why I'm making it.
That's why you make it. All right, so let's get our ingredients. The first thing that we're going to use what's called the creaming method. And that's when we cream our butter and our sugar together, and the two are going to come together, and that's what's going to help us to create a light and airy product, an airy cookie, right? And that's why you want your butter softened, because it needs to be soft enough where the sugar can beat into the butter. Okay, that means you're ready?
Yeah.
You ready for me to? Okay, go ahead.
I'm ready for you to hush. So when is the flour going to come in?
Oh, now you want me to? Now you want an explanation?
Yes. Okay.
All right, we're going to put our brown sugar in.
Brown sugar.
We're going to add our white sugar.
White sugar.
Okay. Now, as you can see, we're using the paddle attachment. We're going to take your little spatula out. We're going to lower our... We're going to turn it on the lowest speed. And we want this to get all nice and combined, where it's going to be...
It don't turn? It doesn't turn?
No, this one doesn't turn. You talking about my mixer?
Well, you know, I've seen some to turn. So
this isn't a turn. This is not a top of the line mixer.
Well, you need, if we're gonna use top of the line chocolate, we need top of the line mixer.
Oh, I'll be looking for that for this as a Christmas gift this year. Thank you so much.
Oh, I talk too much.
You see how that butter and sugar is coming together?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to get that all nice and combined before we add our eggs. Can you smell it? Smells good, huh?
Yeah. Smell like vanilla.
It does. Probably because vanilla is sitting right here.
So is that it? I just got good smellers. I guess. All right.
And you're gonna add your shortening.
My Lord.
Your lard. Your lard.
Lord.
Lard.
It's L-A-R-D.
Lard.
That's layman term.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off. You don't have to turn this off when you're making your cookies, but I just want to explain something to MB. So the next ingredients, the two ingredients she's gonna add are the eggs and the vanilla. Often what I do is I add my vanilla in with my eggs. I just kind of combine ingredients like this. Right? And then you're gonna add, I'm turning the mixer back on, and you're gonna add one egg at a time. And
Well,
you want to make sure.
Wait a minute, I'm not that good.
You're good. You can do this.
I'm probably gonna put both of them in at one time.
We don't want to put both at one time. You can do this, okay? If you do, it's not the end of the world, but we want to try really hard to not put them both in at the same time. We want to get one egg incorporated fully before we add the other egg. And you want to make sure to use room temperature eggs because they incorporate better. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
You nervous?
You gonna do it?
No, you are. You're good. You got this. Okay, here we go. Say to yourself, one egg at a time.
Lord have mercy. There I go.
Yay!
Oh, there you go.
You did it.
It went.
It did. Shocked yourself, didn't you?
Girl, you know I saw
All right, so it's fully incorporated. Now you can add the rest of your egg and your vanilla. Just put it all in there. Now if you notice, we just kind of let this mix, right? With the butter and the sugar because it doesn't produce any gluten. Now we're ready to add our flour and our baking soda and our salt. So another trick that I do, or something that I do, it's not necessarily a trick.
Mix it all in the flour.
You're gonna be a baker yet.
All in the flour.
I'm telling you, you're gonna be a baker yet. Let me have your little spatula.
I can do that.
Now.
Y'all just keep up.
Where you going?
Over there.
Okay. Now mix it all in so that it gets well incorporated, so you don't get a mouthful of salt or a mouthful of baking soda.
Well, if it's mixing, it's gonna.
Well, but if you put it in without mixing it first, it can land in one spot.
Oh.
Right? And so you want it to spread out.
Oh, okay.
You're not making biscuits. You're good.
Oh.
All right. Now, what she's going to do is she's going to add this in thirds. She's not going to just dump all the flour in because then it would require the mixer to go too long. And we don't want that. Because as we have explained in other videos, the risk of over mixing will produce gluten, which is going to give us a tough cookie. We don't want a tough cookie. We want a chewy, tender, yummy goodness cookie, right?
Okay, you don't say all that.
So every time she adds flour, she's going to turn the mixer off. Off.
So I add it.
Oh, now you want to hear my explanation.
I add it while it's off?
You add it while it's off.
All of it or just some of it?
Just some of it. We're going to do it in thirds. So you're just going to do a little bit. Okay, don't be afraid. Okay, that's good. Now, I'm not going to mix. I'm going to pulse.
You going to do what?
I'm going to pulse.
What's that?
Watch this. Because I want to avoid over mixing. Okay? Now you're going to add some more flour.
You just jab it a little bit. That ain't no puff.
It's not a puff. It's a pulse.
Oh.
P-U-L-S-E.
Oh. Put all of it? You said a third.
And then we'll pulse a little bit. And then we'll add the rest.
You jab a little bit.
Okay. We can jab if you prefer. We just kind of want to get it mixed a little bit. You're going to mix it thoroughly when we move over there to add your chocolate chips
Well,
and scoop it.
oh,
Okay?
come
Ready
on,
to
ready.
add? Ready? This is the last of it.
All right. Oh, wait a minute. Y'all know these here.
Got it?
These gloves don't make me drop everything.
Want me to help you on this side?
Yeah, it might be helpful.
Okay. Now we're going to do our last pulse here.
Well, like to me, you need to just go ahead and mix it.
No, ma'am. All right, that's all we're going to do. Now we're going to take our paddle off, and you're going to get as much of that dough off of there into the bowl. Scrape as much of it can off into the bowl.
Oh, these gonna be some good cookies. Because I'm making them, and this is hard work for me.
This is easy. We're done. You're going to add your chocolate chips, scoop them up, put them in the oven. That's it.
Yeah, but still it's hard work. Well, I don't know nothing about this stuff.
But you're learning. You're doing great.
Right here?
Okay, grab your chocolate chips. I got your bowl. And we're going to go move over here. All right? Okay. So now you're going to add your chocolate chips. You can pour them all in there.
All at one time?
All at one time. Okay? And you're just going to gently kind of fold. You're not going to stir like this. You don't want a rigorous movement. Look at you. And you talking about you don't know how to do this. You're a natural.
Well, you know, my mom was a natural, so that's why, you know, I get a little taste from her.
You did.
I might not get that much, but
You learned a lot from mommy. Look at you. You automatically knew what to do, how to incorporate those chips. Yeah, you want to stir all the way to the bottom to make sure you get all the flour incorporated. And when you feel like you've done that, it's time to scoop them up. So this is how you want to do it. Let me show you.
I might need it, huh? I don't need it?
No, you don't need them anymore. Okay, so you're going to take your scooper and you're going to scoop up like that, and then you're going to slide it against the side of the bowl. You see that?
Oh, make it smooth.
Make it smooth.
I'll try it. You better do that.
Let me do one more. I'll do one more, and then you.
Why can't you do them all? I made them.
I don't want to cheat you out of the experience.
Oh, you're not cheating me, honey. No, don't you never think you cheating me.
Want to do one?
No, you go ahead on. You look good. You look good doing it.
Okay, our cookies are all scooped out.
But let me tell you, see, the reason I wanted you to scoop them, because, see, I didn't want to show you up. Because mine would have been much better, you know?
Of course.
So that's why I did that,
of course.
Okay? I don't want to show you up.
I'm so happy she did not want to show me up, y'all.
You see, I already done made them.
I see.
And they look better than yours.
They look amazing.
They look better than yours.
They look totally better than mine. Totally better than mine. I knew you were playing with me. You knew what you were doing. All right, we're going to put these in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Let them firm up. Then we'll put them in the oven and bake them off. We'll be back in a minute. All right, everybody. Our cookies are out of the oven. Your cookies look amazing.
Yeah, I might know what I'm doing instead of you.
I can't wait to taste them.
They're going to taste like yummy, yummy.
They're going to be yummy good.
Yes.
Yummy good.
Yeah.
All right, you all. So we baked these. We scooped them up, put them in the refrigerator for about 5 or 10 minutes. Put them in the oven on 350. Baked them for about 12 minutes. Took them out. We added some little Hershey's, milk chocolate Hershey's Kisses to decorate them. And they looked awesome. You did a great job. Yay! Listen, we want to thank you for baking it breezy with us today. And we want to leave you with this. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord protect you. May the Lord smile upon you and be gracious to you. May the Lord show you his favor and give you his peace as only he can. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.
Man, this is good. This, anything. This is good.
Let me taste it. I'll tell you if it's good or not. Look at it. It looks nice and chewy. That is really good.
It is. I told you I know what I was doing. I just try to, let you do all the work. You know?
You do. This is good.
It is.